In this video, let's see about increment and decrement operators in C language. Plus plus minus minus are the operators which we will be using in this. If I want to increment a value, I can write I is equals to I plus 1. To replace this, I can write I plus plus simply. Or alternative to this, I can also write plus plus I. If I want to decrement, then I can write I is equals I minus 1. Or alternative to this, I can write I minus minus. Or alternative to this, I can write minus minus I. Let's see an example where A is equals 10, B is equals 10 and C. These are the variables in our program, and if we do the operation, C is equals to A plus plus. Okay, so here we are writing again C is equals to B plus plus. How to resolve this is, first assign, then increment. Now let's see how to solve this one. How many variables we have? 3 variables, A, B and C. What is the value of A? It's 10. What's the value of B? It's 10. Okay. Now, first assign A value to C. First assign A value to C. What is A value? 10. Assign it to C. Then increment A value. 10 will become 11. What is the next statement? This is completed. The next statement is now C is equal to B plus plus. Assign B value to C. Assign B value to C. The new value of C is now 10. This value has come here. And increment B value. So final values are A is equals to 11, B is equals to 11 and C is equals to 10. Now we have seen A plus plus and B plus plus. Now let's see plus plus A and plus plus B. Okay, so these are called, if we are writing an operator after the operand, then this is called post increment. This is called post increment. Okay, now we are going to see pre-increment. Now another example, A is equals to 5, B is equals to 5, C. Here I'll write equation C is equals to plus plus A, C is equals to plus plus B. Then what I'll do is, I'll try to resolve this. Okay, for this, here we had this formula. Now here we had first assign. Now here we will have first increment. Here we will have first increment, then assign. It is quite reverse to this one. Here what we are doing, here we are first assigning, then we are incrementing. Here we are first incrementing, then assigning. How to perform this? Let's see. What is the value of A? It's 5. What is the value of B? It's 5. Now let's execute this operation. What is there? Plus plus A. Plus plus A means first increment. Now we are very easy to understand this. First increment A value to 6, then assign A value to C, then assign A value to C, 6. This statement we have executed. Now this statement, what is plus plus B? Plus plus B is increment B value, that means 5 will become 6. Now assign B value to C. The new value of B is 6. In the end, A value is 6, B value is 6, and C value is 6. In the same way, we can do the decrement operators. Now here, up to here, we have seen the increment part. Now let's see the decrement part. What I'll do is, I'll write a program. A is equals to 15, B is equals to 15, C. In the same way what we have done for post increment, we'll do the same over here. But here what we will do is, C is equals to, we will write minus minus. Now we have, earlier we have done with increment part, now we are doing the decrement part. C is equals to B minus minus. This one is the same as this program. Okay. Now let's write A, B and C. What is the formula for this one? For this one, the formula is the same like this one. So what we'll do is, first assign what we had, then increment, because it is plus plus, we are incrementing. Here what is it? Minus minus. So then decrement, because the operation is minus minus. A is 15, B is 15. Now let's do this. First assign A value to C. First assign A value to C. Now C value has become 15. Decrement A value. 15 will become 14. Now this operation has been completed. We'll work out with the second statement. Assign B value to C. What is B value? 15. Then decrement B value. It will become 14. So final values of A, B, C are A is equals to 14, B is equals to 14, C is equals to 15. Now let's see. This we have seen post decrement. Same like post increment. Now let's see pre-decrement. Okay, now let's see. I'll take A value as 20, B value as 20 and C. What I'll do is, I'll do pre-decrement. Okay, so C is equals to minus minus A, C is equals to minus minus B. Let's write this table to solve this one. What is A value? 20. What is B value? 20. What is C value? We need to do it. The first statement. What is this operator says? Minus minus A. Minus minus A in the sense, first, it's like same like this one. First, here because it is plus plus, we are writing increment. Here we will write decrement. First decrement. Then assign. Okay, so first decrement A value, it is 19, then assign to C, 19. Then this operation has been completed. We'll do this one, minus minus B. minus minus b, this is first decrement b value, it will become 19, and assign it to c. The new value of c is 19. So a values are 19, b value is 19, c value is 19. This is the concept of increment and decrement operators in C language. While we are writing this program in the software, we need to use hash include main program, and this will become this a, b, c, they all become the variables, and you can print this by using printf statement. Thank you.